Broadcasting live from SETI Alpha 6 in the Andromeda Galaxy, this is Mr. C.
Well, happy Aloha Friday to you. Friday has arrived, and I hope it's been a fast week. What I really hope is that you triple R'd. That's what I hope. Okay? So, anyway, I'm praying that you remember what you study. Don't you hate it when a teacher prays that? Lord, help them to remember what they triple R'd. Wait a minute, are you not going to pray that I remember if I didn't triple R? Pretty much, yeah. Good, because I want you to do well based on how well you triple R. Okay? So, the usual, you've already got a white sheet for a cover sheet, and I'll review with you in just a little bit the expectations that Mr. Gilbert and I have during a test. Okay? I'll get to that in just a minute. Well, I'm combining both of these videos because it's a test. So 7th, 8th grade, you're together on this one. Mr. C, why do you have your Penrith Panthers hat on? Because it's a big weekend for the Penrith Panthers down in Australia, playing in the rugby league. They were coming in first place down there. So I will find out from my daughter. They probably already played because it's Saturday in Australia. So they may have already played. So I will have to find out from daughter Lisa how they did. So anyway, so now I already told you about the absolute deadline now for getting in late work. I extended it to when? Wednesday. Now, are you going to come through? If you know you've got 1, 2, even 3 assignments that you haven't turned in, you're going to turn them in, right? RLO, are you going to do it? So it might be easy if you're an RLO student just to sort of hide a little bit and play possum, but you can't. You've got to step up. You've got to do what everybody's doing, so let me challenge you, okay? And I want you to do well. That's the bottom line. Mr. Gilbert and I want you to be successful. Do you think a teacher wants any student to fail? Absolutely not. Not if it's a teacher who really cares about their students, like Mr. Gilbert and I do. We love you. We care about you. We want you to be successful. We want you to do well. So, anyway, now, I'll do first, honesty expectations. These are my honesty expectations, Mr. Gilbert's as well, during the test. Use your cover sheet at all times. Cover your answers up. Sit up straight. Don't look to the left or to the right. Just concentrate on your paper. Don't talk. These are expectations, not options. Before you even write one answer down, upper right-hand corner, name, date, period. First and last name. No name, automatically -1. You're paying me, essentially, to find out who you are. So I'm going to charge you 1 point. Okay? If you've got one name down, I'll charge you half a point. First and last name. Okay? When you're all finished, put the test on the stool. I keep reminding you about bringing in a leisure book for when you're finished. Okay? It's really, really important. So if you've got a leisure book when you're all done with the test, have at it. Okay? Unless you've got other tests coming up and you want to review for those that are still coming up today. Or work on back homework if you don't have a leisure book. Okay? So it might be too that I have a little video for you at the very end of the period, if there's enough time, if everyone finishes. So, and the other thing is no pressure on finishing. Just read each question carefully. Are you reading the questions to see what I'm asking? Am I really asking what you think I'm asking? So carefully read the questions. I'm trying to write them as precisely as I can so you know what I'm asking. But read it over a couple of times. so you know what I'm asking. Okay? So anyway, I want you to do really, really well. So hope you have a great weekend. So if you've got back work again, late work, work on it this weekend so you can get it in. If you've got a test to make up yet, you've got to make it up. Absolutely. You were supposed to have it done today. You can still get it done today, great. But by next Wednesday at the very latest. Okay? So please get that work in. Remember, I said that in any math class, a 0 never helps the average. Little joke, kind of. See, that's not a very happy joke on this Friday. I know. Well, I want it to be serious. I want the tone to be serious. I want you to really work hard right now at doing your best. So take your time. The goal is not to finish first. It's to finish best. It's to get the most number of right answers for you. So hope you do well. See you on Monday.